Hey, what's up guys, it is me, SGSB Universe here, and today I'm going to be doing a coding tutorial. But before it ever starts, I'm going to disclaim that I am not dead. I came back from the dead because I'm cool like that. So, today I'm going to teach you how to make rainbow text in a batch file, which is a CMD, which is pretty cool. Now, there's two types of this I'm going to teach you today. There's going to be the one that just flashes, and then there's going to be the one that every time you click a button on your keyboard, it's gonna, make rainbow. So, first thing you really want to do is I'd make a folder for this. So I'm just gonna make a folder and call it tutorial. Tut. I'll just call it tut. Then, so then, what you want to do is create a new text document and call it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it rainbow. If you don't see this .txt at the end of it, hit view. If you're on Windows 8, just go hit view and hit file extensions, because this is going to be very important. And I don't know how to do it for Windows 7, but that's how I know it works for Windows 8. So then after that, what you're going to want to do is double click it, or slowly, or just right click and rename, and then click this and do .bat. And then once you're done with that, you can either edit it or hit Notepad++. I mean, if you're Notepad++ is great for coding with this kind of stuff. So, first thing you want to do with every single batch coding is @echo off. That's the first thing you do. So then after this, you want to do :top, which is top, which is the top of the code, which you can rename this to whatever you want. You can put it your name or something. I prefer doing it top because it's at the top of the line of all the code. So, under this, you're going to do color 04. And 04 is basically dark red. And there's all sorts of colors. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D. It goes on. But I'll do another video and put all the colors in the description. But yes. So under this, you're going to put echo and whatever you want the text to be. I'm just going to put rainbow. You know what? Yeah, let's put rainbow. And then under this, you're going to do color 02. And then just keep repeating this process. It's basically just colored. You're just changing the numbers and really. So I prefer doing only 5 lines of it. Only 5 of these, because otherwise it looks really cool only with like 4 or 3. With more than that, it looks kind of weird, and it starts to lag your computer. I don't know if that's just because it spams or what it is, but yeah. So I'm only gonna do this. Okay, and then once you're done with that, you're gonna do goto and whatever the name of that is, whatever the top was. So whatever :top was, that's what you want to put after goto. So then once you save this and you run it, you should end out with a product like this. Now, time for the next one. So you're going to make a new text document. I'm going to call it rainbow 2, and then I'm going to call it .bat. Edit this. Just going to get rid of that. Alright. And same thing goes for here, echo off, :top. Now, this time, when you do, well, really what you could do is just copy this, whatever you coded with that one, and then after every single echo, you want to put pause. After every single echo, you want to put pause. And then, so then once you run this, it's going to look like nothing, but when you hit a key, it's going to change colors. So which means you could just spam it if you want. So those are the 2 coding tutorials for rainbow text in a batch file. Now, I will later be posting a video today on VBS scripting, which basically, yeah, I'll make an example, right? Well, I'm not going to give you an example. I'll let you wait. But, so what it is basically like you can make messages, troll your friends by thinking there's a virus on their computer. You could do some really cool stuff with coding in batch files and VBS scripts. So if you want that tutorial, too bad if you don't want it, but I'm going to be posting it today. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something new, and maybe you can experiment with what you learned today. if you learned anything. But yeah, I'll be putting things in the description for like an example where you can just copy and paste and edit text and stuff like that. So I want to thank you for watching this video. The VBS script thing will come out today, maybe in like once I'm done making this, I'll make the next one. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and peace out. I like cats.